Well, you guys ready for this exciting video? Let's get it started. Let's go. So back in 2022, the Blue 389 needed a rebuild. It has a Cummins. Again, this is back in 2022. It's only like, 3 years ago? What does it cost to rebuild a Cummins in 2022? Thought I'd put this video out there. Obviously, there's no labor being shown. But, typically labor is somewhere around $4,000 to $6,000. So the money you see, add on $4,000 to $6,000, and also the heads was about $2,500. So add that to the numbers you're about to see on the parts. Appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button showing attendance until the next one. You already know, man. Let's enjoy these journeys.